everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a baby nursery tour. Nursery tour and organization or semi-organization. I think I have it pretty well organized. There's still a couple things I'd like to tweak in here, but you'll see. So let's get started. As we go on this side, you can see I have a couple decals that we got off of Etsy. And then we got the mirrored stars and moon from Amazon. I can put everything linked down below. These pictures we picked up at Hobby Lobby. And then I also got my bedding set with my curtains from Amazon as well. I looked at a million moon and stars and spaceship themes, and this was the best with that. On this side of the room, I have a painting that somebody at my baby shower made for me, which I love. And then these I printed off of line. I made them myself. I went on Kazap or on a photo editing, any app. You can do it on your phone or on your computer. And I just picked the lyrics to Fly Me to the Moon and separated them all and just added the moons in there and Jupiter, stuff like that. I have to actually level them out, as you can see. A couple more pictures on this side of Daddy and Mommy, and then here is our baby shower cake, or diaper cake. I also have his piggy bank, his baby picture, a couple bamboo plants here. This used to be my office. My husband made this for me, this entire unit by hand. And it was meant to be office/nursery, since we already knew that we were trying to have a baby. So he made it for me with lots of storage, plenty of space for me to fill it up with stuff. So this is where I kind of blog and edit videos as well. And this is also a TV, so I can put on the TV or some cartoons if I want to for Calvin if I have to. This is where I change him right here. This is his changing station. Easy. Maybe I need to pick him up. Okay, so this is his changing area, like I was saying before. I just leave this toy here right now. It's a little bit older for him, but right now I just use it to kind of distract him when I'm doing diaper changes. I keep his wipes here, and I have the Vanna cream there. I'll do another video on all of the lotions I use for him because he is eczema prone. We keep our pacifiers in this little jar that I got from the Dollar Tree. In the top drawer, I have our burp cloths are all here. These are all of our bath towels, some extra diapers that I use right now. The excess ones you'll see are going to be in the closet, washcloths, and all of his bibs and teether bibs are up here as well. And then this is just kind of like the nose Frida, the Derma Frida, which is absolutely amazing. Some boogie wipes, his brush, nail files, jelly, just all kinds of kind of like first aid and personal care stuff is in that basket there. In the next drawer is where I keep all of his onesies. These are the current ones that we're using. So we have all of the long sleeves and long sleeve t-shirts are in there because that's usually what I end up putting him in at night. And then these two are rolled up short sleeve onesies, graphic ones, and ones that have the little sayings on them. And then all of his shorts and pants are right here, and then his footed ones also are here. I usually keep them all on the left side, so I can grab those and match them up with the long sleeve onesies as well. Oh, okay. In this drawer, I have all of his socks are here. An extra fitted sheet back there for the playpen that's downstairs. Those are these short sleeve t-shirts. These are some extra onesies that we're getting into now. Just excess space fell down into here. His sleep sacks are in the middle. And then these are the footed sleepers, the one-piece zip up or button snapped sleepers that I use for him as well. And in the bottom drawer, this is all the older stuff that he hasn't gotten to yet. So what I did when he was first born is I went ahead and I washed newborn to 0 to 3. I went up to 3 months, and then actually, and I did 3 to 6 as well. So all of that was washed, and then recently I went ahead and moved on to the 6-month stuff and 6 to 9. And then anything else I've left here. So you have 9 to 12 in here, 12, 18 months, 24, it depends. And then I have his my first bibs that I've been going through. The next holiday is Valentine's Day, so I'll be taking that out soon. A couple extra pairs of shoes and things like that. Easy, baby. Sorry, give me 1 second. On this side here, behind the changing station, I have this hamper, a couple hampers that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I have this little mesh. It's actually a bra washer. It's perfect for his little socks. So I just throw them in there and then I zip it up and I wash them with the laundry. I have yet to lose a sock, so I live by that thing. I do not have a rocker in here. I have my office chair, which is comfortable and it rocks, so it works well for us. Plus I can pull it up next to the TV and the computer and I can film while I'm feeding him or edit videos or even just relax and watch some stuff while I'm feeding him. Underneath, I have our stockpile of wipes. I am a couponer, so anytime I get a good deal or I have a coupon deal to do, I go ahead and stock up. So I am stocked up on wipes for a good while now. This is the baby box you can get sent to you for free if you contact that company. And there's a couple pairs of pants and things that don't fit him right now. I put that to the side, and then I have a clear zip up that I'm storing everything in. Just more decorations up there. Oh, and up here I have all of his books that I'm going to try to get a shelf for, or I'll just organize it a little bit better in here. Diaper Genie refills, and then overnight diapers and little swimmer diapers. We haven't gone swimming yet, but I can't wait. We're going to go soon. And then these diapers are the midnight diapers from my baby shower, where everybody wrote something on there for me. I didn't have the heart to use them, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to think of a crafty way to save that and look at all the sayings in one spot. Maybe like a thick frame that I can actually fit them in. If I do it, I'll let you guys see that. Okay, so on this side, Calvin, do you want to sit back down? Okay. So as I was saying, on this side, this is kind of like my junk drawer that I have right now. Basically everything in here is excess. Why can't I think of what these are called? The milk pads that go in your bra. Milk storage bags are in here. Excess steam clean bags. His baby book that I've been working on. And yeah, basically just a lot of breastfeeding products are in here. This one I have all of his blankets and all of the blankets from the hospital. I just use those. Usually just throw them on top of the changing table, and then I have the rest of the receiving blankets here. Waterproof pads, softer blankets. This is his comforter and knitted blanket that somebody made for us. A lot of blankets. The next drawer I'm not even going to show you. It's all junk. It's basically all my maternity clothes, so I left that in here because I didn't put that in my regular dresser. And then down here, more blankets. So all of his fluffy blankets are in here. Another thing I feel like I have to find something to do with. Maybe I'm going to get some kind of chest or something, or maybe put something underneath the crib with all of the blankets in there. We'll see. I mean, we go through them pretty frequently at night. So this is just the little mini sleeper bassinet that came with the playpen. We don't really use that much. The Diaper Genie is there. And as far as the closet is concerned, this was once filled with diapers. I am a couponer, like I said before, and I get free or very cheap diapers. Usually once a year is when the deal comes around, once or twice a year is what I've seen. So while I was pregnant with him, I went ahead and I got the whole first year of diapers, and today we actually went and got more. So there are another 15 boxes downstairs that I have to find a way to fit in here. I have to kind of like move everything back over. All of the newborn stuff was on this side and we filled it up. Right now we are into size 2. And then it goes all the way back into the closet until size like 4 and 5s. So today I went and I got a lot of 4s and 5s. So I have to kind of shift everything over, or I'll just maybe put the 4s and 5s on this side. We'll see. And just a couple different random outfits that I have hung up that I didn't really want to fold. His coats, his nicer stuff, and then some other stuff. And this is just some other stuff that is hung up, but yet again it's 9 months or 12 months, 24, and that's why it's still up there, because I haven't gone ahead and washed it yet. This is the new float that I got him. It looks like this right here. So I haven't used that yet. I went ahead and kept that in the bag it came in. And that's it. I mean, I have his carrier in here. My extra, my old breast pump that I'm not using anymore. My Mandela Freestyle is in here. My Free Me cups are in here for now because I'm using the LV. And then the Boppy Lounger package I filled up with all of my newborn and up to 3 months, newborn to 3 months clothes that he doesn't fit in anymore. Everything is washed and put away in there just in case I need to use it again, or if it comes down the road to sell it or donate it or whatever. So that is pretty much it. Top of the closet is not mine, not fully his, should I say. We have excess stuff for us up there, but plenty of room. Once I clean out this drawer of my maternity stuff, or if I can find a way to pack it away somewhere, I'll have another drawer to use for him. And then this has some random junk up here as well in this cabinet. Hopefully I'll be able to clean that out eventually, and then I'll have more space for him as well. But I have space up there to put toys up there and things like that. That's it. That's really all we have. I think, yeah, that's it. So we're going to go feed now. Calvin, say hi. You say hi? We're going to go feed now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.